So now we start with an example. Y is equal to sin x to the power tan x minus x to the power log x. It is of the form f1x to the power g1x minus f2x to the power g2x. Now whenever there is a big plus or big minus in such examples, we cannot take log of both sides, because log of a minus b is not equal to log a minus log b. So whenever there is a big plus or big minus in such examples, हमको करना क्या है, पहले को u पकड़ो, दूसरे को v पकड़ो. तो let u is equal to sin x to the power tan x and v is equal to x to the power log x. Very very important. इतना बताने के बावजूद भी कुछ लोगों ने डायरेक्ट लॉग ले लिया था और ये tan x को नीचे लेके आया, log x को नीचे लेके आया. अलाउड नहीं है, एक को u पकड़ना है, एक को v. अब y क्या होगा? y becomes u minus v. Differentiate with respect to x. So y का डेरिवेटिव dy by dx, u का डेरिवेटिव du by dx minus v का डेरिवेटिव dv by dx. Equation number 1. Now consider u is equal to first function sin x to the power tan x. कौन सा फॉर्म है ये? Perfect. f of x to the power g of x, taking log of both sides. So log of u is equal to log of tan sin x to the power tan x. What you are doing? Taking log means just आप दोनों साइड को log लगा रहे हो, कोई प्रॉपर्टी यूज नहीं करोगे, ओनली दोनों साइड को क्या लगाना अपने को? log. तो log of u is equal to log of sin x to the power tan x. Now what happens? This is of the form log of a to the power m, and log of a to the power m is m log a. यानी नीचे कौन आएगा? tan x, जो log के भी पहले आएगा. tan x पूरा यहाँ पे आएगा, log के पहले लगेगा, तो ये होगा tan x into log of sin x. Very very important step. यहाँ गलती करने का नहीं. What is log of a to the power m? m log a. What is log of a to the power m? m log a. So tan x log के पहले लग जाएगा और ये होगा log of sin x. Now differentiate both sides with respect to x. So यहाँ रहेगा ddx of log u, यहाँ आएगा ddx of tan x into log of sin x. u into v. I have to use the product rule in the RHS now. Now what is the derivative of log u with respect to x? 1 by u into du by dx. यहाँ लगेगा product rule tan x into ddx of log of sin x plus log of sin x into ddx of tan x. Then u will go to that side. So next step में होगा tan x into what is u now in this case? sin x. क्या लिख रहा है आपको? log u. What is the derivative of log u? 1 by u means 1 upon sin x. क्योंकि log x का डेरिवेटिव 1 by x है, तो log u का आएगा 1 upon sin x into ddx of sin x plus log of sin x वैसे रहेगा. डेरिवेटिव ऑफ tan x कितना है? sec square x. Very good. डेरिवेटिव ऑफ tan x is sec square x. Now take u to that side. So it is u in bracket tan x into, ये रहेगा 1 upon sin x. What is derivative of sin x? cos x. तो क्या आएगा? cos x upon sin x. derivative of sin x is cos x upon sin x. ये sec square x पहले लिखा, log of sin x वैसे ही चलने दिया. Now cos x upon sin x is nothing but cot x. So you get u into tan x into cot x plus sec square x into log of sin x. Now tan and cot, they are reciprocals of each other. So tan x into cot x hereafter always equal to 1. I repeat, tan x into cot x always equal to 1. u की वैल्यू डाल दो, sin x to the power tan x in bracket 1 plus sec square x into log of sin x. Perfect. Equation number 2. Now I will consider second function as v. Let v is equal to x to the power log x. कौन सा फॉर्म? f of x to the power g of x using logarithmic differentiation, taking log of both sides. So log of v is equal to log of x to the power log x. Log of v is equal to log of x to the power log x. नीचे कौन आएगा? ये क्या है? log of a to the power m. तो ये log x log के पहले लगेगा. देखो कुछ लोगों ने यहाँ पे लगा दिया उसको, ये log of a to the power n is m log a, m कौन है log x, तो m सबसे पहले रहेगा, तो ये होगा log x into log x, and log x into log x is nothing but log of x का whole square. Now I differentiate both sides with respect to x. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. What is the root of log v? 1 by v into dv by dx. I repeat 1 by v into dv by dx. ddx of log of x का whole square. 1 v को उधर लेके आना है. अब इसमें गजनी कौन रहेगा यहाँ पे? log x will be u, आमिर खान. u का whole square. This is आमिर खान. गजनी पिक्चर उसकी हेयर स्टाइल. u का whole square. What is the root of x square? 2x. So it is 2 into log x to the power 2 minus 1. The root of x to the power n. n into x to the power n minus 1. पहला फॉर्मूला. The root of x to the power n. n into x to the power n minus 1 into. जिसको u पकड़ा उसका derivative dx of log x. Now ये होगा 2 log x, वैसे होगा to the power 1 लिखने का नहीं. 2 log x. What is the root of log x? 1 by x. The root of log x 1 by x. Now just put the value of v. v आने कौन है? x to the power log x in bracket 2 log x divided by x, equation number 3. Now just put equations 2 and 3 in 1. We get dy by dx is equal to sin x to the power tan x in bracket 1 plus sec square x into log of sin x plus नहीं आएगा माइनस लिखेंगे, बिकॉज इक्वेशन 1 में क्या है? माइनस ऑफ इक्वेशन 2 x to the power log x in bracket 2 log x upon x is the answer. इतना याद रखो, यहाँ बीच में प्लस है कि माइनस है? प्लस है तो प्लस लिखना, माइनस है तो माइनस लिखना. दिस इज द आंसर. वेरी गुड.